internet.
Welcome to the channel today. Hey, listen, I'm Mr. Gaza, and we have some problems with my car. You know what happens when you mix E85 with 93, 50-50 to get E50, and you leave the car sitting for a long time, like 3 days straight, which is a no-no. You should not do that. But I did. Shame on me. Listen, I know I have to run injector cleaners right now, but I have straight fuel 93 in my tank. I'm gonna check the spark plugs to see how they look. The reason why I'm saying all of this, guys, I am having misfire under boost. And also when I plugged in my computer to read the codes on my car, I was getting a code that I am running very rich. And I can see it on the tailpipe as well. Soot, very strong. All right, guys, that could either be saying, hey, you run your fuel mix too lean, and you could either crack your spark plugs, or your injectors are really clogged up. But today we're gonna find out. We're gonna do a diagnosis. We're gonna eliminate each of these things step by step, just by watching this channel today. And I will help you as long as you help me. So what I'm asking you for you to do right now, I'm gonna give you a little break in here. 10 seconds of your time. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell and comment on the video. Also, guys, with that little heart right down there, I would like for you to contribute to the channel. It means the world to me. And just by contributing to the channel today, I am going to be giving away a JZS 161, which is the Lexus GS300 from 1997 to 2005, a 3-inch beautiful curvy mid-pipe that bolts directly up to your 2JZ-GTE VVTi twin turbo swap from the catalytic converter. Let me go ahead and get it to you. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This here is a $400 pipe. I want to give it away to you guys. It's 2.5 months now I'll be giving this away. You guys need to go ahead down there, contribute to the channel, and tell me what you did by contributing. And all you have to do is DM me at my Instagram post at GPG444, or just let me know in the comment section below. This pipe is beautiful. It's so clean, I can kiss it. All right, guys, with that said, let's go ahead and diagnose the problem with my car, because I don't want to blow it up. I don't want to screw it up. I'm going to fix the problem before it gets worse. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching today's channel. Let's get to work. so we can get to work on her properly. What I'm going to do is remove the valve cover, actually the spark plug cover, and we're going to remove the coil packs, and we're going to check each spark plug to see if their gap is thrown all the way out or vice versa, or whatever. All right, let's get to work. Okay, we're going to remove the little bolts that are holding the cover on. I don't usually tighten these too much. You just pull them like that. You don't want to tighten them too much. You don't want to crack this. Go ahead and take this off. You need to take the oil cap, remove that. Put this back. This is where you have all of your coil packs located, and this is how you're going to have to remove your spark plugs. You do it like that. Alright. So first you need to unclip. I'm going to go ahead and put on some gloves so I can handle this, and then blow it out with some air. What we're going to do now is take some compressed air and blow out all the dirt. I'm going to do this about 2 times, so I don't want no dirt getting into the thread patterns on the spark plugs, and also falling into the compression compartment. Now that we cleaned up all of the components with the gear, we will pull number 1. And we're going to pull number 2. We'll just unplug this, put that to the side. Just take a picture. If you're not sure on how to do this, just take a picture of how this goes so you don't forget. Just do this here, here. Now, well, let's pull out the coil pack and see how it looks. It looks as if this is the this is the original OEM part that came with the motor. Remember, this motor has only 80,000 miles on there, and these are the original spark plugs that came with the car. That is why it was breaking up big time under boost. Spark plugs were all cruddy, Well, there's no cracks on this coil pack. So, I mean, we can still use this. Alright, let me go ahead and pull this spark plug out. Man, this ratchet is so cool. You don't have to swing all around just to pull it. Just go ahead and swivel it. Oh yeah. This plug is the original plug, people. Look at it. Good lord. It's all cruddy. And it looks as if when they had the motor sitting in Japan, the hood was off, because that looks like water. And yes, look at all that soot in the spark plug. Yeah, it wasn't burning right. Okay, let me go ahead and remove the rest of the spark plugs. Let's see what we have here. Oh man. Yep, OEM. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. This is cruddy. All that crud. What happened? Look at all that soot. Tell me what you think, guys. So in the comment section, just tell me what you think, and love to hear from you guys. What I just did a while ago, guys, behind the scenes, I removed the hoses that bridge the two valve covers together, so that everything, the EGR, the engine pressure, everything can work properly. It's quite a treat removing it. Thank God the plastic wasn't so brittle, it didn't break. And it's now much easier to remove all of these things, and make sure you put everything in a position where it's easy for you to put back. If not, if you don't know what you're doing, just take pictures or do a video like what I'm doing. Put everything lined up where it's supposed to go. It's much easier. All right, so just follow the way I'm doing it. Keep the wires to the side, and then put the wire loom, and then see where this spark plug wire, it goes right there. I think I may need to change the wires too. That's probably the OEM wires. All right, let me get to work. We're back, and here we have, there seems to be a problem here. I don't know if you can see that properly, but these spark plugs, this one was all the way in the backside. It is probably telling me that whenever it rains,
the water is getting in between the valve cover and it's rusting out these plugs. And then again, I'm seeing these plugs, they're super dirty. These are iridiums. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and replace these and make sure that no water is going to get between it. This looks as if when they had washed the motor off, the water was left in between the valley. It was not cleaned properly. So this could be a problem. Okay guys, that's the final update. All the coil packs. This one was in the rear. Clean this up. There are no cracks in here or around. Just gotta blow out this so we can get out all the corrosion. Clean off as much as possible. Hey, well, the auto store does not carry these spark plugs, and we're gonna have to order this through Amazon. So Amazon, it should be here by tomorrow, and we're gonna show you how to install this as well, torque down the plugs as well. So guys, listen, I want you to go ahead and show this video some love. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also comment and hit that notification bell, please. So also smash that heart button below. This is a two-part video, so there is a second part to this. Please stay tuned for the next one. And as always, peace, love, and happiness. Thank you for watching today's show. I'm Mr. Gaza, bugging out. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup.